Hey my love, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll be making a ruffled reversible hair bonnet. So the two materials that we'll be making use of is Ankara material and the satin material, but if you like you can get two different color of satin material. Just switch it up, girl, anyhow like you prefer, you get. So yep, I'm sorry, I've already cut out my Ankara material, but I'll be cutting the satin material right here on camera for you all. But if you've already cut out one of your material, all you just need to do is just to place it on the other one and trace it out. But yeah, we are just like going to like cut out the satin material right now. So all you have to do is just to fold it into four as you see me doing in this video. So fold it and make sure that all edges like is all matched and everything. So after that, you get your tape and start taking your measurement. So yeah, we'll be taking our measurement from the edge. So the measurement I'm using for this hair bonnet is 14 inches because I want the hair bonnet to be so big, so no matter the type of hair I make tomorrow, like it will size it perfectly for me. So yeah, we'll just be like tracing out the 14 inches all the way around, from that edge all the way around the material as you just see me doing on this video. So after that, you just like trace it out and cut the material. So once you cut it, you have this round shape looking material. Once you get that, just know that you're on point, you get. So yeah, so after that, you just get your other material, whether another satin or Ankara material, and place it right side facing each other. As you just see me, I placed it like right side facing each other. So just go over to your sewing machine and sew it all the way around, but you'll be leaving a small space. From that small space, that's where we just be flipping it over to the right side, you get. So if I don't know why the satin material was bigger than the Ankara, I mean stuff happen sha. So I'm just like tracing it out and cutting out the whole excess. So after cutting out the whole excess, we just be moving over to that small space that we left. I will just be like flipping it over like we plan to do early to the right side. So after flipping it over, you just have to like iron it out, girl. You need to iron it out so that your second measurement like will be on point. So yeah, so I've ironed it out. I'm just like going up by 2 inches because I want a like normal ruffles. But if you want something dramatic, I mean girl, this is your choice. If you want a dramatic ruffles, all you just have to do is just go by 3 inches, you get 2.5 inches, you get like 4 inches, 3.5 inches. So I'm just like marking out the 2 inches all the way around. So after that, you have to come out for our second line. So this second line, like you see this line that we are making now is in the middle that we're just going to like be passing our elastic casing. So this second line, I'm coming out by 1/2 inch because my elastic casing is a very small elastic casing. But if yours is big, you might just come out by 1 inch, get 1.5 inch, it depends. So yeah, I'm just like tracing that 1/2 inch all the way around. After that, you just have to like connect your whole dot. Then that space that we left earlier, we are still not going to like sew on it. We are still going to like leave the space because it's from that space that we're going to like pass our elastic casing. They are going to sew on these two lines that you've drawn, you get, like you're going to like sew on the two line and make a hoop. Shey, that's what they used to call it. So I'm done like sewing on the both lines. So I would just like I'm just like measuring out my elastic. I just measured my head, it gave me 23, but I'm cutting it out by 21 because I want this hair bonnet to be very soft on my head. You know, as a baby girl that we are, we need soft things. So I'm just like using a pin to secure both the bottom and the top of that elastic casing, and I'm just like passing it all the way around from that opening you get that we make. So yeah, so that's just what I'm doing. As you're passing it, you just see that your hair bonnet is already forming. So yeah, just passing it all the way around. So after that, you just have to like remove the whole pin and tie the both elastic casing down. Please don't forget to tie it down so tightly. I actually tied these 2 times, very tight. So after tying it down, girl, you're done, honestly. So the next thing you have to do is those opening that we left earlier, just go over to your sewing machine and stitch on it, like sew it down. Like look, see now, like it came out so nice. So after, just go and sew it down. So after sewing it down, your hair bonnet is ready. You can make these and sell, make for your loved ones and make for yourself. So yeah.